Please state your full name for the record.
Charles Augustus Magnussen.
Do you think it right that a newspaper proprietor, a private individual, and in fact a foreign national, should have such regular access to our Prime Minister?
일개 언론사 사장인 매그너슨의 행보에는 수상한 점이 참 많았는데요. 그럼에도 불구하고 그를 함부로 대하지 못한 데에는 다 이유가 있었습니다. 바로 그가 갖고 있는 정보 때문이었죠. 심지어 매그너슨은 해킹 공격에 대비해 자신이 갖고 있는 모든 정보를 아날로그 방식으로 저장하고 있었는데요. 매그너슨은 자신의 정보를 모아둔 공간을 애플도어라고 불렀습니다. 그는 애플도어 안의 정보로 영국 수상을 비롯한 수많은 기업가, 정치인들의 약점을 잡고 그들을 협박하는 방식으로 자신의 영향력을 펼치고 있던 것이었죠. 심지어 자기 소유의 언론사까지 있었으니 상대를 복종시키기에는 더할 나위 없었습니다.
Claire de la Lune? A bit young for you, isn't it?
I will call someone. I will have you removed.
In 1982, your husband corresponded with Helen Catherine Driscoll.
That was before I knew him.
And currently in my possession.
He was unaware of her age. When he discovered the truth, he stopped immediately.
Facts are for history books. I work in news.
You all right, Mum?
Magnussen. There isn't a man or woman in England capable of stopping that disgusting creature.
한편 왓슨의 집에는 이른 아침부터 누군가 찾아오는데요.
It's Isaac.
Your husband.
Son.
Didn't come home last night.
He's the drugs one, yeah?
Yeah, nicely put, John.
그렇게 왓슨 부부는 옆집 아이작을 찾으러 마약 소굴로 들어가게 됩니다.
What is that?
It's a tire lever. If there's any trouble, just go. I'll be fine.
Hey, John. Is a tiny bit sexy.
Yeah. Excuse me.
건물 안으로 들어간 왓슨은 어렵지 않게 아이작을 찾을 수 있었습니다.
Dr. Watson,
Yep.
have you come for me?
You think I know a lot of people here?
Oh, hello, John. Didn't expect to see you here. Come for me too.
For God's sakes, John, I'm on a case. A month. That's all it took. One.
사실 셜록은 지난 한 달 동안 연락 한 번 없었던 것이었는데요. 그런 그가 마약에 찌들어 있는 상태로 발견됐으니 왓슨이 이렇게 화가 난 것도 어느 정도는 이해가 갔습니다.
What time is it?
About 8.
I'm meeting in 3 hours. I need a bath.
It's for a case, you said?
Yep. Stay out of my bedroom.
Oh, John, hi.
Janine?
It's just a guess, but you've probably got some questions.
You have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have.
심지어 그 상대가 메리의 결혼식 들러리였던 제닌이었으니 왓슨은 더욱 당황할 수밖에 없었죠.
Have a lovely day. Call me later.
I might do.
그렇게 제닌이 출근하고 얼마 지나지 않아 베이커가에는 누군가 찾아오는데요.
Mr. Holmes said you can go right up.
I understood we were meeting at your office.
This is my office.
I have been asked to intercede with you by Lady Elizabeth Smallwood on the matter of her husband's letters.
셜록은 얼마 전 매그너슨에게 협박을 받은 스모로드 여사의 의뢰를 수락했던 것이었습니다.
She would like those letters back. Very practical use to you, so with that in mind.
There's rather a lot. No, I was reading.
매그너슨은 셜록의 수많은 약점들을 확인하다 자신도 모르게 하나를 입 밖으로 내게 되는데요.
Redbeard.
레드비어드는 셜록의 어렸을 적 반려견이었는데 매그너슨이 그 이름을 알고 있다는 것에 셜록은 놀랄 수밖에 없었죠.
I've been asked to act on behalf.
Bathroom?
Along from the kitchen, sir.
Is it like the rest of the flat?
Yes, sir.
Maybe not then.
시종일관 셜록을 무시하던 매그너슨은 거실 벽난로에 소변까지 봐버리는 무례를 저지르는데요.
Tell Lady Elizabeth I might need those letters, so I'm keeping them. Anyway, they're funny.
Jesus.
Did you notice the one extraordinary thing he did?
There was a moment that kind of stuck in the mind, yeah.
Exactly. When he showed us the letters.
평소 매그너슨은 상대의 약점을 파악한 후 그걸 조건으로 협상을 진행하는데 오늘 그가 편지를 가져왔다는 건 조금이라도 거래할 마음이 있다는 걸 의미했죠.
Pressure point, he calls it. So, clearly he believes I'm a drug addict and no serious threat.
덧붙이면 셜록은 매그너슨이 자신을 우습게 보도록 일부러 마약 중독자 행사를 했던 것이었습니다.
And of course, because he's in town tonight, the letters will be in his safe, in his London office while...
How do you know his schedule?
Because I do. Right, I'll see you tonight.
그날 밤 셜록과 왓슨은 런던 중심의 한 빌딩에서 만나게 됐는데요.
Magnuson's office is on the top floor.
Is that what we're doing?
Of course it's what we're doing.
그렇게 이들은 매그너슨의 사무실로 연결되는 전용 승강기에 도착합니다.
Standard key card for the building. Nicked it yesterday. Only gets us as far as the canteen. But if I do this, if you press a key card against your mobile phone for long enough, it corrupts the magnetic strip. The card stops working. What happens if I use the card now?
It still doesn't work.
But it doesn't read as the wrong card now. It registers as corrupted.
이렇게 훼손된 카드로 인식이 됐을 경우에는 매그너슨 사무실 안에 누군가가 인터폰으로 얼굴을 직접 확인하는 절차를 거치게 되는데요.
At this hour, almost certainly his PA.
그리고 셜록이 말한 매그너슨의 비서가 바로
Sherlock, you complete loon. What are you doing?
Hi, Janine.
I can't. You know I can't. Don't be silly.
Don't make me do it out here.
Do what?
In front of everyone.
That was Janine.
Of course it was Janine. She's Magnuson's PA. That's the whole point.
Did you just get engaged to break into an office?
Yeah. Stroke of luck meeting her at your wedding. You could take some of the credit.
Jesus.
자기 아내의 베프를 이런 식으로 이용했다는 사실에 왓슨은 화가 머리끝까지 났지만 우선은 수사에 집중하기로 합니다.
Did she faint? Did we really do that?
It's a blow to the head.
이들이 엘리베이터를 타고 오는 사이 사무실에는 누군가 침입해 제닌과 경호원을 제압한 것이 분명했죠.
So's Magnuson. He seems still warm. Upstairs. We should call the police. During which? Perfume, not Janine's.
Claire de la Lune.
Why do I know it?
Mary wears it.
No, not Mary. Somebody else.
그렇게 위층으로 향한 셜록.
No. You're doing this to protect them from the truth.
Additionally, if you're going to commit murder, you might consider changing your perfume, Lady Smallwood.
That's not Lady Smallwood, Mr. Holmes.
It's done with you.
Mary, whatever he's got on you, let me hope.
Mary.
Hey.
He's only bloody woken up. He's pulled through.
완전히 정신을 차린 셜록은 아무도 모르게 병원을 빠져나가는데요. 그런 셜록을 걱정하던 사람들은 각자의 방식대로 셜록이 있을 만한 곳을 찾기 시작했죠.
He knew who shot him. The bullet wound was here, so he was facing whoever it was.
So why not tell us?
It's Sherlock, John. Sherlock. John, you have to answer it.
한편 셜록을 찾고 있던 건 메리도 예외는 아니었는데요. 그런 그녀에게 셜록이 먼저 다가와 이야기를 건넸습니다.
Where are you? What do you want, Sherlock?
5 years ago, you acquired her name and date of birth, and thereafter her identity. That's why you don't have friends from before that date. Looking a bit thin.
Orphans lot. Friends, that's all I
Could
have.
recognize a skip code on sight.
It's a skip code.
How good a shot are you? May I see? A distance of 6 feet, you failed to make a kill shot. I'll take the case.
What case?
Yours. Why didn't you come to me in the first place?
Because John can't ever know that I lied to him. Please understand, there is nothing in this world I would not do to stop that happening.
Sorry.
What is going on?
I have a better question. Is everyone I've ever met a psychopath?
Yes.
Shut up!
I mean it seriously. Everything you've ever done is what you did.
Sherlock, one more word, you will not need morphine.
You were a doctor who went to war. You're a man, then beating up a junkie. Your best friend is a sociopath who solves crimes as an alternative to getting high. Even the landlady used to run a drug cartel.
It was my husband's cartel. I was just typing.
John, you are addicted to a certain lifestyle. You're abnormally attracted to dangerous situations and people. So is it truly such a surprise that the woman you fall in love with?
그렇게 셜록의 말에 설득된 왓슨은 자기들의 방식으로 메리와 이야기를 하기로 결심합니다.
Sit.
The clients, that's all you are now, Mary. You're a client. This is where you sit and talk, and this is where we sit and listen. Then we decide if we want you or not.
자리에 앉은 메리는 어떤 문구가 새겨진 USB 하나를 테이블에 올려놨죠.
AGRA, what's that?
My initials. Everything about who I was is on there. How much do you know already?
By your skill set, you are or were an intelligence agent, and I assume you befriended Janine in order to get close to him.
You can talk. The stuff Magnuson has on me, I would go to prison for the rest of my life.
So you were just going to kill him?
People like Magnuson should be killed. That's why there are people like me.
Any documents that Magnuson has concerning yourself you want extracted and returned.
Why would you help me?
Because you saved my life.
사실 그날 밤 메리는 셜록과 매그너슨을 죽이는 대신 둘 모두를 살려두는 선택을 했던 것이었죠.
Precisely calculated shot to incapacitate me. Of course you couldn't shoot Magnuson. The night that both of us broke into the building, your own husband would become a suspect, so...
여기에 총을 맞은 셜록을 위해 앰뷸런스까지 불러줬던 메리였습니다. 시간은 흘러 크리스마스, 셜록의 본가에는 많은 사람들이 모였는데요.
I'm in agony.
신문 기사를 보니 수모르드 여사 사건을 해결하지 못한 것이 분명했습니다.
So you okay?
Seriously, months of silence, and we're going to do this now. It really is Christmas.
The problems of your past are your business. The problems of your future are my privilege. No, I didn't read it.
You don't even know my name.
Is Mary Watson good enough for you?
Yes.
Oi, Mary. Jesus Christ. Mary!
Don't drink Mary's tea.
The hell have you done?
사실 얼마 전 셜록은 매그너슨과 독대를 했었는데요. 그간 여러 번의 만남을 통해 매그너슨의 안경에 어떤 장치가 되어 있음을 알고 있던 셜록은 드디어 그 비밀을 확인할 기회를 얻게 되었죠.
Portable apple door. Just ordinary spectacles.
당황해하는 셜록에게 매그너슨은 한 가지 제안을 합니다.
Show me apple door.
Everything's available for a price.
A Christmas present. My brother.
그렇게 셜록은 잠들어버린 마이크로프트의 노트북을 챙겨 애플도어가 있는 매그너슨의 집으로 향했습니다.
It was you.
Yes, of course. Very hard to find a pressure point on you, Mr. Holmes.
Put me in a fire for leverage.
Oh, I'd never let you burn, Dr. Watson. I had people standing by. I'm not a murderer, unlike your wife. Let me explain how leverage works, Dr. Watson. Mycroft Holmes is the most powerful man in the country, apart from me. Mycroft's pressure point is his junkie detective brother Sherlock.
그런 셜록의 약점은 왓슨이었고 왓슨의 약점은 메리이니 매그너슨은 메리의 약점을 잡아 마이크로프트를 좌지우지할 생각이었던 것이었습니다.
Forgive me, but I honestly expected something good. Include the GPS locator. By now, your brother will have noticed the theft. Security services will be converging on this house.
그리고 사라진 노트북을 매그너슨이 갖고 있었으니 마이크로프트와 정보국은 그 사실을 핑계삼아 애플도어를 수색할 것이 뻔했고 그 안에서 발견된 정보들을 이유로 매그너슨을 감옥에 가두게 하는 것. 이 모든 게 셜록의 계획이었습니다.
Mycroft has been looking for this opportunity for a long time. He'll be a very, very proud big brother.
이윽고 매그너슨은 셜록과 왓슨에게 애플도어를 보여주는데요.
Okay, so where are the vaults then?
The Appledore vaults are my mind palace. You know about mind palaces, don't you, Sherlock?
기억의 궁전이라는 건 고대 로마 시대 때부터 있던 여러 기억술 중 하나입니다.
Get out. I need to go to my mind palace.
셜록도 이런 방식으로 자신의 기억들을 저장해 놓고는 했죠. 즉 매그너슨의 애플도어는 실존하는 것이 아닌 그의 기억에만 의존하는 것이었습니다. 이런 이유로 그는 언제 어디서든 정보를 확인할 수 있었던 것이었고요.
Knowing is owning.
Then you don't have proof.
I don't have to prove it, I just have to print it. Speaking of news, you'll both be heavily featured tomorrow, trying to sell state secrets to me. Let's go outside.
Sherlock Holmes and John Watson, stand away from that man.
To clarify, Appledore's bolts only exist in your mind, nowhere else.
They're not real. They never have been.
그렇게 애플도어가 실존하지 않는다는 것임을 한 번 더 확인한 셜록은 왓슨 부부를 지킬 수 있는 단 하나의 해결책을 실행에 옮기게 됩니다.
Sorry, no chance for you to be a hero this time, Mr. Holmes.
I'm not a hero. I'm a high-functioning sociopath. Merry Christmas! if this is some expression of familial sentiment.
Don't be absurd. I am not given to outbursts of brotherly compassion.
이어 마이크로프트는 언젠가 영국이 셜록을 필요로 할 때가 또 있을 것이라며 그를 동유럽 작전에 투입시키는 걸로 사건을 마무리하자고 제안하는데요. 작전 자체가 매우 위험한 것이었기에 어찌 보면 셜록을 사지로 내모는 것과 크게 다를 바는 없었지만 당장 그를 죽이거나 투옥시키는 것보다는 낫다고 생각한 마이크로프트였습니다. 또한 고위 인사들은 셜록이 매거너슨을 죽임으로써 자신들의 약점이 사라진 것이었으니 마이크로프트의 이런 결정에 순순히 따르기로 했죠.
William Sherlock Scott Holmes. That's the whole of it.
No, we've had a scan. We're pretty sure it's a go.
Oh, the game is over.
The game is never over, John. But there may be some new players now. That's okay. The East Wind takes us all in the end.
What's that?
The East Wind, this terrifying force that lays waste to all in its path. John, there's something I should say. I've meant to say always and I never have. Sherlock is actually a girl's name.
Who's that?
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
We don't know. It's on every screen in the country, every screen simultaneously.
Hello, little brother. How's the exile going?
I've only been gone 4 minutes.
Well, I certainly hope you've learned your lesson.
As it turns out, you're needed.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
There's an east wind coming. Miss me?